Hi, I'm Mozart.
And I'm Alexia. Thanks for tuning in to GIIB Rubber Video. In this video, we will walk you through one of GIIB Rubber's product hallmark, Supercool, a specially crafted rubber compound using cutting-edge German technology to ensure best-in-class retreads performance, safety, and cost efficiency.
What you hear today will change the way you perceive retreads, the way you manage your tires, and ultimately transform your fleet operational costs to a state that you have never thought possible.
In today's competitive environment, managing fleet is a monumental task. It requires great attention to details in ensuring success of a fleet operation. It all begins with making the right decisions on tires.
Many reports have shown that tires rank the second highest in cost consumptions after fuel. Yet studies conducted by the tire experts concluded that the actual costs are in fact much lesser, standing at as low as 2.2% for any well-managed fleet operation.
On the other hand, if the tire management in a fleet operation is not managed properly, it will eventually lead to a domino effect on other costs, affecting the profitability of your business.
And therefore, this is the reason why successful fleet operators from around the world place considerable emphasis on having a good tire management system. Tire management consists of the selection of new tire, retread tires, tread design and configuration, air pressure and tread wear monitoring, alignment and balancing check.
Let's start with the selection of tire. A cost-efficient tire is not determined by the price of a tire, but it's determined by its performance in mileage, fuel economy, and more importantly, reliability and safety.
Now let's take a look at the chart. A tire's first retread can save the overall tire cost up to 22%, while the second retread can further drive saving by another 37%. Imagine how much it helps you save for a complete fleet operation.
Similarly, a cost-efficient retread is not determined by the price of the retread, but by the performance in mileage, fuel economy, and more importantly, reliability and safety.
A wrong retread selection can cause fleet to bear 250% more in operational cost. So cheap is not cheap. Cheap is indeed more expensive.
Retreads using Supercool compound is well known for its cost efficiency and reliability.
Supercool compound is a specially formulated rubber compound designed to run up to 40% cooler than conventional compound.
We all know that heat is the biggest enemy to tire. Cooler running tire ensures higher durability. Also, cooler running tire means safety.
A good retread is made of good compound and good retreading process. It is for this reason that Supercool is only made available to qualified retreaders that are able to produce reliable retreads. Therefore, retreads using Supercool promises maximum cost efficiency to fleet operators.
Supercool is distributed to selected retreaders in more than 60 countries worldwide.
And Supercool retreads have been chosen by the world's leading new tire manufacturers as their trusted retread partner.
Besides that, Supercool is a product of GIIB Rubber, a rubber compounder that specializes in rubber technology for various industries, including automotive, mining, and aeronautics.
Supercool is engineered for safety, cost, and fuel efficiency. Produced with the philosophy of GIIB, a product engineered to care.
Thank you for taking your time to know more about Supercool. Stay tuned for more GIIB Rubber product innovation video.
In the meantime, learn more about GIIB Rubber products and services by visiting www.giibworld.com or stay in touch with us at marketing@giibworld.com.
Thanks for watching.